everyone, welcome back to Vision Kids YouTube channel. Today we are in Holiday Inn Resort Baruna Bali.
Yes, Kaka, but we're not alone today. We are with Chef Komang.
Hi,
Chef.
Hi.
So what will we be cooking today?
We're cooking pizza today.
Wow, interesting.
What kind of pizza you like to cooking today?
Any pizza.
Okay, any pizza? Okay, before you start, please wearing the gloves. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Before you rolling dough, you have to separate the flour so not sticky on the table. Okay, this for you one. Separate the flour. Okay, like this. Okay, you continue now until round. Yeah, you're right. Good. Good. Yeah, press again. Okay, now this your turn for rolling the pizza on the table, yeah. And take the dough like this. Now take the rolling pin, roll it. Okay, good. Again more round. Yeah. Put some flour on top.
A few moments later.
This is the dough, guys.
Okay, we will start topping your pizza now. Okay, pertama kamu bisa taruh tomato concasse in your dough. Ya. Put more. Put more. So become tasty. Ya. You like put ham? This is ham. This one, like paprika, the onion. You can put onion to more delicious. And cheese. Yeah. Put cheese more. That's it. Okay, we will start open now. So you put on top on the tray your pizza. Okay, lift up very carefully. One more. Okay, this will be cooked after 5 minutes.
Now it's time to put it in the oven. Let's go!
Let's wait 5 minutes for the pizza.
A few inches later.
Wow, it looks delicious. Can we try it now?
Please try. Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, this is the pizza that we've made. Let's try it.
How's the pizza, girl?
It's delicious! Thank you, Chef, for teaching us. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.